Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this Birdhouse right here, and this one actually does include a camera inside of it. I'll go ahead and open this up and show that to you here really quick. It's just right inside here, and it's super easy to install. It has magnets here on the back side, so all you have to do is plug it in, which it does come with a USB-C cable. And then it has a QR code there on the back so that whenever you pair it with your app, you can easily do that. So we'll go ahead and put it back up inside there on those magnets. Just centers right inside there. Let me make sure I got it centered and pointing straight down. And then boom, there you go. And it does have a little mesh thing in here that you can easily pull out and clean. And then we'll close this back up and boom, there we go. Pretty much everything is all set up. Now this does have to be plugged in. It comes with a fairly lengthy cable. It's about 16 feet long. I did measure that just now. And then it comes with your brick also. You just plug it in and then you got to find a power source. So I've actually had it set up inside. I've been playing around with it, got the app all set up. I really like it, works really well, great video quality. So let's go ahead and install it, and then we'll also check out some of that footage from the camera inside. All right, so we've got it installed now. It was really simple, easy to do. I'll go ahead and show you here inside. As you can see, there's just 2 screws right inside there. Makes it nice and sturdy. And then our camera is installed, and we got it connected to power. Here is some live footage from that camera right now. As you can see, nice and clear right there. Has a couple different options in regards to your camera footage and everything like that. You can do an SD card inside there, and then they also do have a cloud storage plan that you can upgrade to as well. Overall, I really like it. I'm excited to get some birds inside of there and, you know, see how they do and everything. I'll give you some quick footage here on the side. It does have like some little windows on there to ensure that you get plenty of light inside there so that that camera can pick up things at all times. And then it also does have night vision that works out really, really well. You have your hole up front, of course, that they can fit inside of, allowing more light in there. Completely weatherproof, everything like that. So yeah, great product. Go ahead and check this one out.